Hi there. In this video, we'll be covering the Model Portfolio Holdings integration between YCharts and Redtail. To get started, you can go ahead and hover over Support in your YCharts account and click on Integrations. This will take you to the Integrations homepage. If this is the first time you're setting up your Redtail integration, or if your integration gets disconnected, you'll notice that your status will show as inactive. To activate your status, go ahead and hover over Manage and click on Activate. From here, you can go ahead and enter in your login credentials and log in. You'll notice that your status will change to active once you've successfully logged into your Redtail account. Now you're ready to start using the Redtail integration. You can start importing your holdings and weights from Redtail by hovering over Tools and clicking on Model Portfolios. And this will take you to the Model Portfolios list page within YCharts. Up here at the top, you'll notice that there's an Import Holdings dropdown that I can click on. From there, you'll see all the integrations that you're connected to, and I can go ahead and click on Redtail. From here, I can go ahead and search for any of my contacts that are in my Redtail account. Once I hit Submit, you'll notice that my search results will pop up, and I can click on the contact that I want to import. Now I can click on Next and choose the underlying accounts that I'd like to pull in from that contact. Once I know the account that I want to pull in, I could click on Import, which will take me to the Model Portfolio Editor to finish creating that model portfolio. You'll notice that I have some details here already, like a sample model portfolio name that you can use or edit. You'll also have the description that will show you which account you've imported. And you'll also be able to edit some other information for your model portfolio, including advisory fees, the benchmark you want to use, the rebalance frequency, and also your initial series level, among some other things here. You'll also notice down below that you'll have all of the symbols and weights imported directly from Redtail. If there are any symbols that aren't identified within YCharts, you'll notice that you'll have to put in a proxy symbol here within the editor to then save your model portfolio. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on Save, which will create that model portfolio in your account. Once that model portfolio is created, you'll notice that you'll be able to do a lot of the same things within YCharts that you could do with any other portfolio. You notice that once I search for Margaret, that model portfolio is right here in my search results. Now, within this model portfolio's quote page, you could see all sorts of data, including performance, key statistics, holdings information, risk statistics, and so much more. You can also take it a step further and create reports so that you can have those ready to sit down with your client or to just send to them via email or through your Redtail account. If you have any questions on getting set up with your YCharts and Redtail model portfolio holdings integration, please feel free to reach out to your YChart support contact and they'll be able to help you out.